Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have with us Hotwheels Ultrahots 71 Datsun 510, and this is from the set, and this is the second one. If you're able to see, first we unboxed this one Dodge 330, then now we have this Datsun. Nissan Skyline we have already unboxed. Porsche will review it in some time. Then Toyota Trueno that we have reviewed, Honda City we have reviewed, Thunderbird and Volkswagen is remaining. You can see here the Skyline and the Dodge. We'll start with this one today. This is a 510 Datsun. So let me zoom it a little bit. Yeah, if you're able to see the paint job, this is too good. And this is a Spectra flame paint, guys. So if you are wondering why this color look like this and you are seeing the Ultrahots very first time, then let me tell you, this is a Spectra flame paint that this Ultrahots specific series have. Okay, and this tire also, these are very unique to this Ultrahots itself. Now talking about the back, we have tail lights that are very detailed. If you see, there is a fine line between this red color, a white line that goes. I'm not sure whether you are able to see or not, but it is. So it is very detailed, and I like the way the casting it is in proportion actually. If you see from it, this is a ultra spectral ultra flame. This fire lines goes from here. Then if you see on the hood also, it is there. Okay, so this green color is damn good, and I'm in just love with this guy, guys. Let me tell you, like, the first impressions are it's very heavy, and just a small disclaimer, we are not going to unbox this car, we'll just keep it guarded. So whatever, where I was, yeah, this this body is of metal, then the chassis is of metal, both are metal, so because of that only it's very heavy. Let's talk about the tires also. As I told you before, these are unique to Ultra Hot series only, and you will find in this series only the specific shape of tire and this design, the silver rims and all. But be careful, guys. Actually, this, if you unbox it right, and if you try to play with it, just a little smudge also, this paint will be removed on the tires. If I show you this Skyline, on a fine day I was removing the dust from it, and I just little smudged the tires and the paint started removing. So I thought, why? Then I thought just to give a little more pressure, and all the paint from the rim just came out. That's what the Hot Wheels is providing the quality on this Ultra Hots. I'm not sure about the body. I tried smudging it, but it won't remove. But the rims actually, the silver paint gets removed very easily. If you try to do it, you can modify it at home without anything, any equipment or what. You just need to smudge the rims, that's all, and the paint will be removed. So that's a small update I wanted to give on this Skyline. So yeah, this also come in disclaimer, don't smudge the rim paint. Now coming to the front angle, you can see the headlights are painted and they're engraved, but they're painted with white color. So this also looks very good, the grille and all, the bumper, and it's too good, man. I just love it, the car, the hood. See the paint, no? It's too much. Now if you see the interior, I'm not sure whether you're able to see or not, but there is a cage type they have made here. Okay, if you're able to see this triangle this goes around, and they made a cage here for the sports variant. Okay, you can see it on top also, so it's very detailed. That's what I was saying. Now see the bottom, there's some instructions. Datsun Bluebird fighting and made in Malaysia. There is also some detail on the chassis, right? See, it's very detailed car, guys. I know the tires they are made plastic, but the paint job and the details they have provided here, it's very good. That's it for this car, guys. We'll meet in next video. Till that, stay subscribed and keep liking. Bye bye.